Hello, this demo shows UI Power Software Robot reading data from an Excel spreadsheet and loading it into a cloud-based CRM. So we've got a very simple Excel spreadsheet, company name, address type details, website details, with just a few entries in it. We've got the software robot, so let's run it. This opens up a browser, logs on to the cloud-based CRM, in this case Fresh Sales, accesses the menu to add a new account, enters the first basic details for that account. As the account details don't initially want website and phone number, that's added on a subsequent page. It then processes through the other entries in the spreadsheet, repeating the process precisely the same, adding each of the details it needs for websites and phone numbers, and then completes the process to list and show us all of the accounts. The robot's finished. We just go there, we can see we've added the accounts, we've added the websites, and we've added the phone number. That completes the demo.